Alright, on this episode of More Tech Solutions, we got a new 3D printer and we're going to unbox it for you. See you then.
Alright.
Alright, so let's unbox this thing. So this is a FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. So this printer has some great features that my other one, the Creality that you saw in episode 1, doesn't have, such as auto bed leveling, filtering, as well as a full enclosure. That one doesn't have a top on it. So.
Oh, interesting.
And it also has auto bed leveling, so I don't have to do these little screws and then mess with the piece of paper and then and then you're doing that for the next 2 hours.
Right, right.
That's how you see my bedside, unfortunately. Anyway, so we got here a nice 3D printer. So I'm gonna put it on the floor. You guys just wait with me for a second. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit smaller than the other one too, which is nice. Takes up a little bit less of a footprint, and it's supposed to be a lot quicker. I think it's 150 mm a second, millimeters a second, I guess, and then this one's 600.
Right.
Yeah, it's the Adventurer 5M Pro, which has the full enclosure, which allows for no fumes to be smelled, which is better for your respiratory system.
Right.
So I've been tired of, I've been hearing risks about 3D printing in an enclosed space like this basement, and yeah, so let's see what we got here.
Alright. Wow.
Here's the boy. Alright, here's the beast. No, not me, the printer. Alright. Oh, it just shocked me. Static shock. Alright. Here's our little printer. It is a smaller printer when it comes to height, and it's only a little bit smaller when it comes to this part of the bed. When it comes to the height, though, it is like this versus like this, roughly.
Right.
So I don't need the height for parts that I manufacture, such as, let me see where I put them. If you show like those dry bed covers over there, conveniently placed on the shelf. We print those for our vintage computers and custom computers and different things for customers as well if they requested it.
There's those drive bays right
there. Yep. And usually we try to make it low cost by using already existing options that are made online for free. Alright, so we're going to take all of our plastic off and then read some instructions. Who loves to read instructions? And I'm going to sit like everybody's dad like this. Alright, anyway, joke is, that was a way too long-winded joke, but yeah. Okay, let's get all this, is this not supposed to come off? Oh, come on. Ah, there we go. It's got HEPA and carbon filter, so it's got a great, like that's a carbon filter, this soldering for solder fumes right here. This black filter is a carbon filter.
Oh, very nice.
Carbon, I guess it's coal, so coal filter.
Cool.
Don't they have carbon filters in fridges for the water? If I'm not mistaken, or that's charcoal.
I think so. Filters. Yeah, I'm not totally sure about that.
So yeah, they're carbon, charcoal, or whatever, carbon, coal filter, whatever it is. Oh, it comes with some test filament. That's nice. We get our power cable, so it's an enclosed power supply, because you can tell by the way it is.
Right. And
then we get some free filament. That's nice. Not a lot, but it's nice to start with. You get our 0.6, which is our larger print head. And what's great about this is easy. You don't have to unscrew it and unbolt it like that one. It's just 2 clips and it pops out. You can replace your extruder. I like all the nice packaging as well. I take note of all the high quality packaging here. Oh, and it comes with a NeTAC flash drive. I need to load things on there, so that's nice. Excellent packaging so far. I'm very impressed with that. You know, I don't think it's supposed to come out this way. Hold on. So there's some more foam. It's a good size print bed. I mean, pass me one of those dry bays, would you? Sorry, I know. I'm unexpectedly asking the cameraman here to get something. And I'm still here, you know. So I just want to see compare for like the bed size. So this has, unlike the other one which has a glass bed, which is very fragile, I think this is flexible, yeah, metal.
Oh,
bed.
Very nice.
So easy to peel things off of, and what most of the things I need to make, perfect size.
Wow.
And it's going to be a lot faster, and no more knobs and trying to, look how easy that goes on, it's magnetic.
Let's get that name brand on there.
FLASHFORGE, yeah.
Very cool.
I've heard of these being good. Also, Proof says they're good, and Creality makes good printers too. I just don't want to inhale all those fumes. If you look right in there, those are the filters, by the way. You see?
Yeah, let me zoom in on that. Very nice.
It's a lot more refined in its design. If you look at the other one, it's like there's like cables everywhere, and you know. This is more like I guess like a modern take. That one's I had since I graduated high school, so that was my graduation gift. So for my parents.
Very nice.
Thank my parents for me in the comments, would you?
Sure.
Not for this one though. That's me. So yeah, you just got the thrill, and you can go up from here. It's fully enclosed, and it's got filtration, which is nice. I haven't seen filtration in many 3D printers, so it's definitely good that they're finally starting to take care of the health risks. All right, so we're back, and we're taking a look now at the installation of the spool holder for the printer, because we got to print a part tonight. So I'm going to take a look real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get my persona back on.
You always lick your fingers when you're reading the manual?
No, never. Oh, this is your spool holder. Okay. It's kind of small, no? I can't exactly read the instructions unless I'm looking in the wrong place.
Right.
Oh no, here we go. I am looking in the wrong place. That's my fault. Install a spool holder. So it's 2 screws with an Allen key. Isn't that kind of small? Hold on, stay here. I'm gonna go see if it can hold a regular spool. Because if it can't, I'm gonna be not the happiest person in the world.
Alright, that's cool.
So stay there. Let's take a look with my example spool of tan filament that I use for beige for printing.
Oh, okay, now you're over there. That's the former
Well, we're still keeping it.
3D printer. It has a blanket over it, as you can see.
Well, we're just trying to keep the dust off the mechanical parts.
Yeah, it's behind the
So
fan.
yeah, it fits. Here's we use Polyterra by Polymaker. This is the muted white, but it's like a beige, and it looks really good with vintage computers. If you want to look down there by your leg.
Nice.
I just kind of did some research on my own and figured it out.
For all you vintage computer fans, there's a nice tan one there. Beige one.
If you want us to print you apart, let us know. We will. Alright, so, without further ado, let's find those screws, shall we? I think I saw them. It also comes with some adhesive and things like that, and some grease for the parts. I don't know if we'll need it anytime soon, but I mean, most people, hell, do they ever grease their 3D printer? I never have. Alright, so here's our little tool bag, I guess. It's all Allen key based. Okay. Alright, I'm making a mess here. Michael, you're making a mess. I know. Just terrible, aren't I? Alright, let's see. So we got our 2 little screws here. Wow, that's a lot of building, right? That one I think I had to put together a couple parts. Put the side panels on. This one's a lot more user-friendly.
Cool.
I'm excited to see how fast it is, too. We gotta install some software, obviously, and things like that, but pretty much now I'm gonna get you guys in on this. Gotta find which one it is. I'm gonna say it's the smallest one. Yep, first try. Nice. Oh, yeah. You see the nice sticker here? Yep. And some of it's plastic. It actually has a metal back to it. And here's your power supply. Looks like we also have Ethernet. It's got little handles too, so you can pick it up. And it's heavy, but it's not like overly heavy.
Right.
So yeah, I just gotta get it in there now. This is the hard part because those Allen keys aren't exactly magnetized, so I'm just gonna try to do this by hand. So I don't have to drop it. You gotta get started on the threads anyway, so you don't want to cross thread it or anything. Not that anybody cares about 3D printers being cross threaded, but yeah. So, are you getting in the video? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There we go. So I got one there. Now that I have it in there, I can use 2 hands and try to guide this. It's hard at this angle. Let me reposition. There we go. Now we got it started, I can tighten it down. So I gave you a nice little Allen key here, which is great. I like that it's made out of metal, though. I appreciate when things are made of high quality. My old one's made out of plastic, but overall, the builds both seem comparable in quality.
Right.
Both are companies in China that make 3D printers. I don't know if is there any USA made 3D printers? I'm not sure.
That's a great question.
Hey, ChatGPT, right?
If you guys know any, you can leave some in the comments.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so now that's on there. I'll put like our test spool here. Haven't used it in a minute because I haven't printed any beige parts, but we have a video upcoming that needs parts, so I'm gonna cut us a nice little. At least for the old one, we used to have to cut a little angle piece. So let's see. I'm just gonna feed that in. I'm gonna read my manual, make sure I'm putting it in right, because this is my first time using this printer. Please ensure the platform is cleared up. Use the Allen wrench to remove 4 screws which lock the build plate. Okay. So we'll come back to this, I guess. So I rotate this around again. Supposedly there's 4 screws that lock the build plate. Oh, I see them now. Yeah, they're in there. So I guess that's for shipment, I'm assuming? Okay. Oh, okay, so there's some in the front here. Yep, they're little gray screws. So if you're doing this, you'll know now. Nope. Do you want to come in and see this?
Yeah.
We are a captive audience here. So I'm just going to be carefully removing the little screws that are in here. You see this little green arrow? So I'm just going to be in here removing the screws.
Okay, I see. Little green arrow in there.
There's a little gray screw right here. I think it's the same Allen key as earlier. Let me find that. Oh, don't tell me I already lost it. Come on now. Michael loses the Allen key as soon as he uses it. Sounds about right. Alright, let's try to find it. I really don't know where to put it. It came with 3, right? Yeah, I think so.
You didn't like leave it on the back or something?
I might have. Let's check. Oh, there it is. Yeah, good call. It was stuck on the back.
That's what I'm here for. When I'm in the shop, I'm all business, man.
Yep. See, we leave the bloopers in. You know, I lose things sometimes.
It's alright.
Sometimes? Matt's like sometimes?
Doing great, man.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so what are we doing now? You're just
unlocking the build plate so that we can print on it.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the steps. It's screwed down from the factory to ensure that it doesn't get damaged, I guess.
Yeah.
We already have a .4 nozzle in there, which is probably the most common. So you get these little screws here. I'm going to put them in the bag in case we ever need them to transport this thing again.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason. Oh, so there's grease on these rods here. Interesting, I just felt that. Not anything thick, just like, you know, basic stuff.
Right.
I'm really excited because this thing has the auto bed leveling, because that's one thing I really didn't like about the other printer. You have to add something to have it level the bed for you.
Right.
But it was not actually auto. I think it was a sensor that would check the bed, and then it would tell you need to screw it up more or screw it down. It wouldn't actually move the bed for you. It wouldn't motorized move the bed for you. So that's definitely an advantage here.
Right.
Yeah, nice metal plate with the paint on it. All right, so let's see. Sorry, I just gotta get up to see what I'm doing in here.
It's alright.
If you come right up here, you should be able to see.
Yeah.
Itty bitty screws.
Wow.
It's a little awkward to get to, I'm not gonna lie. It's also a heated bed, which is nice, so it creates better adhesion. Plus,
Right.
being in this full enclosure should help with print quality a little bit. Sorry guys, I know there's not a good angle here. We'll fast forward to this part if you'd like.
It's alright, man. I mean,
Yeah, sometimes there's just slow moments in the video.
you gotta show them the elbow grease, man.
Yeah,
You know,
there you go.
that's one thing we do on this channel, man. We try to keep everything as real as possible for our
Unfortunately,
viewers.
sometimes it takes a second to build something.
You know, this isn't like snap your fingers, winner chicken dinner over here. You know.
Now you gotta go sideways and try to get these little tiny screws out.
Yeah.
It's not the best system I've ever seen, I'll be honest. It's kind of annoying.
Right.
Mildly annoying here, huh? Just like me. Anyway. I'm gonna get some pliers. Pardon me.
It's alright.
I don't feel like having to deal with trying to get that with my fingers. Sure. Get my Stanley pliers here. Oh, I got unscrewed a bit more. Okay. Fair enough. It's got like 2 more threads left holding it. Yep, that's exactly what it was. Oh, it's magnetic. Nice.
Very nice.
Okay, what's the next step now, Mr. Manual? 4 screws out. First print. Plug it in. Select the language. Oh, that's it? Really? Wow. Let me double check. You got first. Printer components. Tells you about everything. That's cool. I already unboxed it, so a lot of this stuff's kind of redundant. So I'm going to put all the extra parts in, and then we'll turn it on, see what it does. So
Alright. Moment of excitement.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm
So far, I
pumped.
like the quality better. Similar to mine, my old one. But there's features that I'm really excited about. I heard it's got good quality print as well. I've seen pictures online of what it prints.
Yeah.
The other one was good quality too, but it's just so slow.
Right.
Like it would go like, you know, like this one's like, you know, like fast. So
Yeah, yeah.
let's see if it holds up to what they advertise. The advertised speed is a lot more, definitely. So I'm putting a lot of extra parts in here. It comes with cutters too, which is nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Maybe I'll tape it on here or something, make a little holder for them.
Cool.
Extra extruder head, if you're wondering what that looks like. This is a bigger end, that's what 0.6 is. Currently there's a 0.4 on it by default. I think this is a jam clearer. Probably like, you know,
Right.
throwing it gets jammed. Alright. I like the cutters though, that's a nice touch. That's what an extra $100 was, right? Just the cutters.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding, but... Alright, so let's see. So let's see, the first print is telling us what to do, so plug it in, turn it on, okay. Anybody can do this, see? You're a computer technician, nonetheless.
Computer technician or not, you know, you can always
Set up a 3D printer.
set up a 3D printer, tune into our channel, we'll show you how to do it.
Plug them in. Alright. Sweet power switch. Okay. Alright, let's see. On. Alright, let's turn it on.
Let's get a shot of that on screen. Oh. Alright. FLASHFORGE.
Forge.
Oh, FLASHFORGE, I'm sorry.
Killing me. Alright.
Oh, well, there's a nice, oh,
Sorry.
stepped on my foot.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Not
There
the
we
biggest
go.
lab here, sorry.
Again, that's FLASHFORGE. Very cool name brand.
Oh! It thinks us too.
What did it say, Mike?
It's either excited or terrified, I'm not sure. Ooh, it's got an LED in there too. My other one didn't have a light.
Very cool.
So and also I think this one has a camera as well, so you can remotely watch your prints.
Very cool.
So English, picking from all packing materials are taken out. Looks good to me, right?
Oh, yeah. I like that light in there.
Little LED, yeah.
There's a nice little
So you can show the bed's
look
unlocked.
to it, I guess.
Yeah, we took 4 screws out, so it should be unlocked. Alright, come on. Next. There we go. Network settings. Wi-Fi. Sure. We'll put it on the either 5 or 2.4 gigahertz. Let me set this up real quick. Sorry, guys. I can't show you my Wi-Fi password. I don't want you guys coming here at 2 a.m. Steal my Wi-Fi, obviously.
people on the front lawn, right?
Damn, free internet, yes! No, please don't show up to my house. Thank you, though. I appreciate the enthusiasm, though. I like the touchscreen, it's nice. The Ender had this as well, actually. I'm not going to say it didn't. It's a little iffy. You gotta get used to it, though. It's a little small. Definitely. But, 'cause I got these big hands, but... Alright, we should be logging in now.
Very cool. Got the please wait on there.
It is fingerprinting easy. I'm not satisfied with that, but great, we're connected. Open the Flash Maker and scan this QR code for binding a device in the account. Skip that, we don't need an account. It's definitely unlocked. You see it's starting to move. So you guys don't need glare.
Wow, very cool.
Oh yeah, it's not screwed down anymore, you see? Look how fast it is.
Wow.
It's gonna level the bed now, so if you get your camera right down in here, you can actually see it's gonna use a little sensor and level the bed. A lot of sensors and stuff going on in here. It's heating up the bed currently, it looks like.
Oh.
I guess it's testing its functionality. Honestly, this is way easier to set than my last one.
Get a
I like that
little
there's
zoom
foam
in
in here
here.
too, so when you close the door, it kind of...
Wait, let me get a zoom.
Oh,
Open
yeah,
the
sure.
door just so I can show them.
Well, it's not going to level yet. You'll have to watch. It'll like do like this little thing where it moves around and checks.
Right.
It's getting there. It's got to heat up. I got to load the filament still, and if it's connected to Wi-Fi, that'd be good. Let me see what software I need while we're doing that.
Do you want to close the door, or you kind of just leave the door open?
I'm leaving it open so you guys can see what's going on.
Right. I mean, you can close it now if you want. I just wanted to get them a shot.
Well, no, it's gonna move in a second.
Okay.
Later that same evening.
All right, guys, we're back here. We're More to Tech Solutions. Mike is working on the computer right now, and as you can see, it's doing some leveling there on the inside, as you all can see.
It's gonna take about 7 minutes. So I'm installing the software so we don't waste time.
Like he said, it's going to take about 7 minutes, so just giving you an update. He's installing the software, and we'll be back soon.
Yep. Okay, so now we're back. It finished all the leveling and everything like that. So it's telling us to feed the filament in here if you'd like to show them. So I'm going to follow its instructions. I already cut off the bent piece of the filament. Now I'm feeding it through the tube here.
You want me to go around the other side
No, sure.
so they could see?
Sure, so I'm just basically feeding it in.
Alright.
And I can actually see it coming through if you want to show them that. So this is your tan filament that I use. And then if you look right here, you can see how it's going through the tube?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to feed it up to there. And now I'm going to tell it, and then it says, insert the filament into the feeding roller. A feeding roller. Let me read my manual on this. Push it toward the feeding roller until it cannot go forward more. So we're going to keep pushing until it can't go anymore. Okay. I guess it can't go anymore. So that's that. Now let's see what it says. So now we're going to say load. So now it's going to heat the end of this. And then eventually it's going to have some sort of roller that picks it up. On my other printer I could see it. I don't see whether... It's saying that you need to see the roller. Oh, it's in the print head. That's why. It's built in here. As in this printer had it on the side. So
you're actually understanding what's actually happening.
yeah, instead of just saying I'm gonna feed it until it doesn't go anymore. Now
Right.
If you look here, it actually shows you that's actually the head of the printer. If you look at the way the fan is and everything. And this is really good with sound deadening. Listen.
Yeah.
It's really quiet, which is cool too.
Definitely.
That thing was loud. I liked it though. I like the noises. I won't be able to breathe though. I mean, you can tell I already have allergies as it is.
Mm-hmm.
So it's loading the filament. It's almost ready to go. It's heating the end. Oh, there we go. So now if you go in here, and then put your camera right in there. Tilt it maybe.
Let me get some tilt action going.
Oh, okay. You're gonna tilt it like that. Yep, you see it coming out? So I guess they were testing with orange at the factory.
Wow, that's so cool.
And you'll see tan coming out.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Let me get a zoom in.
There you go.
Let me definitely zoom in on that.
Oh, you see a tan coming?
I gotta get it like sideways, cause yeah, I want them to see it falling. There we go.
It's pulling itself. Yep.
See, Matt here at Mortitech Solutions does his job.
Oh yeah. So now we're just waiting for this to load, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm sorry if I'm talking a bit weird. I bit my tongue. Anyway, there we go. Load, oh, but you see how it smells?
Right. Yeah, the fumes, man.
I don't smell it anymore.
Wow.
Loading complete. Please clean the filament on the nozzle and platform, and then click print. Before you print, it's telling us to clear the filament residue on the nozzle and platform, and users must apply glue to the platform to make adhesion better. And then it's going to print a test file, I guess. So let's see. We got to get our glue from earlier. It's basically glue stick, I guess. Looks like an Elmer's glue stick. Did anybody lick those as kids? No, I'm kidding. No, wait, that was paint chips. Sorry. Alright. Oh, yeah. It's like a liquid. Okay, so just kind of... Oh, yeah, it just comes out. It's glue. You just kind of put it on, I guess. This is actually a lot nicer than the last one I had to do. I used to use hairspray on my old one because it was glass. And then from there, I would use... mask. My favorite thing to use is painter's tape. It comes off easy and it always gives you good adhesion.
Right.
So I'm just trying to get all of our surfaces here, but the nozzle's a bit in the way. That's unfortunate, but otherwise, yeah. And since this bed is heated, it's gonna kind of. Oh. Well, that fell off. It's kind of interesting. The thing fell off on me.
Yeah, I actually.
Oh, it's magnetic.
I actually saw that.
That's magnetic. I didn't realize. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I didn't break it at least. I just bumped it. Alright, so we got all of our glue on here. I like the little bottle here. Definitely get some more of this. It's nice to give that to you. And then I just gotta clean the little crap off the nozzle. Okay. We're gonna click print. There we go. Oh, it's doing a little cube. Alright. Let's leave it to work then. 0 hours and 0 minutes, it says. You can also pause it midway, which is cool. Alright, it's getting ready, guys. So now it's kind of like leveling itself, and oh, it's heating up actually, if you look. So now it's going to check its level. Leave my chair. Preheating, yeah, so now it's heating the filament. The end that gets the filament. Really nicely built. Honestly, I'm very impressed with this so far.
Yeah, this is definitely cool.
Hey, don't worry, I'll show you guys how the other one works eventually. You know, it's more labor. This is like more easy, you know?
Right.
I don't have to come here and level the bed every time. Like with that thing, the print would get stuck to the bed because I would leave and it would get cold, and then I'd have to like pry it off, and then it would unlevel the bed. So you gotta come back, level the bed again, you know, and then like
yeah,
it's a lot of work. This you just.
It's like repetitive, yeah.
This is gonna hopefully level itself because it has different sensors, it looks like, yeah. Alright, so it's preheating. Oh, it's actually going down in temperature, that's interesting.
So you guys can see that.
Oh, it's heating the bed first and then it's gonna heat the hot end, okay. And then from there it should be good to go. Yep. It's got HEPA and activated carbon filters. I don't smell anything. Not so far. Let's see what we smell when we print. And meanwhile, I'm going to see what the IP is for it so I can... I guess I can't. Oh, I can. There we go. Wi-Fi. Don't show them the Wi-Fi. Let me.
Oh, okay.
1 second.
Oh, that's alright. No Wi-Fi.
I'm trying to hook it up to there so I can see if I can access it. Alright, so I'm on there now. Let me see. Also, it actually activates the filtration on its own. It's interesting. Oh, and camera? Sure, let's do camera and video.
That is interesting.
Oh, it's getting ready. Oh, it's printing. Alright, let me get out of your way here so you can see. You see that? So far, it's sticking. Wow, it's fast.
Wow, that was fast.
Oh, it's printing a tiny little cube. Look at that. So it does a little test line. Wow, look how fast this thing is. Holy crap. Pardon me.
That little filament in the front
That's like a little test line, yeah.
is the
Wow, this thing is really fast.
test line.
Whoa, it's shaking the table.
And then you can see that it just starts going to work. The table's shaking, that's why he's holding it.
Wow, this is really fast. They said it was fast, but man, the other one would be like, I'll think about it when I want to. So how long does it say until it... It says it's going to take 0 minutes. I think it's going to be done in like 5 seconds, dude, honestly. Wow, I could put a drive bay in like a half hour. That'd be cool. Like one of these, like a half hour. Another printer work. Oh, and you hear how the fan's kicked on? And we don't smell anything. Do you notice that? You don't smell anything, do you, Matt?
No, I don't.
Remember how we smelled it when we first opened it?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it wasn't too bad.
No, it's not too bad, but long-term exposure could be hazardous. I was researching, so, and I use this a lot. So,
Right.
wow, it's fast. It's easy to maintain. Oh, it's been printing for 1 minute. It doesn't say how long it's gonna take, but it's at 32%. It's almost halfway already.
Wow.
Oh my god, look at that thing go. Give him a close-up there, Matt.
Oh, we're zoomed in, man.
Wow.
We're very zoomed
look at
in
it.
on
Do
it.
do. It's
Zoom
like,
in a little. Well, actually,
can you see past the glare of the plastic?
yeah, it's about as close.
Let me push it on the table a bit more so it doesn't fall off. And this is the little thing I printed earlier. Feel how solid that is, Matt.
Wow.
I feel like it's just a little piece of crap I didn't print it.
Yeah, I'll show them the. This is what it started with. Is like
I smell it a
test.
little bit, but I smell the filters. I don't actually smell the thing being... It actually is working. It has good filtration.
Right.
Oh, and it's got nice LED light strip in there. This is really good, man. It's almost halfway already.
Yeah.
Wow. So I can print something small really
What
quick.
percentage are we at?
46, 48. We've just been sitting here for like 2 minutes.
Wow, really?
So I guess we won't even have to cut this. It'll be quick.
Nice.
I'm very surprised by how fast it is.
Yeah, yeah.
And accurate, too. I mean, look how clean that print is. Matt, you want to have the cube of destiny?
Sure.
Wow. It's pretty aggressive now.
Yeah, it's definitely shaking the table.
Oh, it's putting the final layer on. You see that? It's starting to put the top on now. Five years makes a big difference in technology, doesn't it?
It does. As you can see, it's shaking.
I have used MakerBots in school, which did have auto leveling beds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See the monitor shaking like that?
Well, it's going to be going on that table behind it, which is a lot more heavy than this table.
Yeah.
So, wow, it's done.
Well, just so you can see the power.
No way, it's done. Wow! I'm impressed, are you?
Yes, I'm very impressed.
3 minutes! It took 3 minutes. Let's see how it came out. Okay, now I smell it a little bit. Now I opened it. So now we just take my little fingernail and just go whoop. Get that off. And it comes off easy too, which is nice. So that's like a little print line it tests with. And here's a little... Wow, it's great quality. Look at that. Oh, it's still a little bit molten. So I just push the top in and it's a little...
Oh, really?
Yeah, so just let it cool, but... There's our first print on the new printer.
Very cool.
It's very clean. Very clean. Came out very clean. Nice and toasty, too.
Wow. There you guys go.
Alright, so that will... well, first I'm just going to have to put it onto the, let's see, information. Let me find the... I just gotta find the, so that's loading instructions. There's also nozzle use tips, and I'm trying to find the IP address thing that I was bringing up earlier, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got some little files already saved on here, I guess. Oh, the boat. The they call it, what do they call it? Boat Benchy. It's a test print that every printer they use to test with. Oh, there's the IP address. Read that to me.
Okay, let's see here. The IP address is 192.168.169.
Connection failed. Okay, let's find out why. Is there like a colon and then like a big number at the end, or? Nope. Remaining RAM, 5 gigs. This thing has 6 gigs of RAM. Wow. I didn't know that. It's pretty impressive. This guy's own little computer in there, huh?
You do have a little bit of a glare from this angle.
It's a little dirty, that's why. There we go. Is that better?
A little bit of a glare. I just want you guys to see those specs. Cool.
Alright, let me mess with it, and we'll come back to you in a minute when I'm printing my drive bay.
Alright.
Alright, so we're back. This is the conclusion of the video. As you can see, the printer's set up.
Let's get a good shot of that. Yes.
And as you can see here, we have a camera now. So we can actually, and we have everything set up with the Orca software.
Nice.
So we're going to prepare. We're going to select our files. So let me see if I remember how to do this. So file. Open. And let's grab our bay cover. I guess it has to be a... Alright, so it wouldn't be a project file. Give me 1 second. I got to figure this out. Oh, add models. Here we go. Now I go to my 3D print. It's a little bit different than my other software, so I had to figure it out. There we go. So now we have a drive bay cover, as you can see here. So we need one of those for that computer we're working on, which we'll tell you about soon. And we also need a... It'd be a... Oh, that's not right. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me insert it again. That's not it. I gotta figure out where the file went. But yeah, let's just print something. So, I'm just gonna insert it here. So I'll just put this cover, I guess. There we go. So now we have our cover, as you can see. See that?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna set to print so we're gonna slice it, which gets it ready for printing. All this gobbledygook here, and we're gonna do print to this printer. And we're gonna make sure it's leveled. So for about 47 minutes, that'll be done.
Wow, nice.
And now we're gonna watch it print. Ready? We can also watch it. Look at this. I can even turn the light on, supposedly.
We got the camera over there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, watch. See the light flashing?
Very cool.
Pretty cool stuff.
You know, we here at Tech Solutions also want to give you guys the most entertaining stuff.
Yep.
You know, behind the scenes, Mike is like, I'm like, yeah, I know it's not a computer job, but I mean, we gotta.
Do we even need to record this? You're like, yeah, people are gonna love it. I'm like,
yeah,
all right.
you know, I mean, you know, this isn't your everyday. It's still.
You don't get a 3D printer every day. That's right.
It's still tedious, you know. It still takes a lot of intelligence and Hey, you want to know what you're doing with this stuff.
Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya. And here we are back at Tech Solutions, and as you can see, the printing has begun.
Look how fast it is.
Alright, awesome. Are you excited or what, man?
Oh yeah, man, I'm very excited.
Awesome.
Alright guys, this is the conclusion of Tech's episode. And as we see here, we're going to show you the final product out of our FLASHFORGE new 3D printer. So we have a floppy drive bay cover right here, and then we have our lovely disk drive bay cover. As you see, move my build plate, pop right off, nice and easy. Look how good they look. Wow, look at that finish. Can't even tell it's 3D printed, can you? Alright guys, see you next episode of Tech Solutions.